You love your car, but the sound system leaves a lot to be desired. The bass is muddy, the highs are tinny, and you crave something better. You want music that fills your car, every beat and lyric clear and powerful. But when you check out big-name brands, the prices are intimidating. Upgrading your car audio feels out of reach. This is a common struggle for car owners. Enter Boss Audio, a brand promising big upgrades without the big price tag. Their products look impressive, with features like powerful amps and deep subwoofers. But can you really get quality sound for such a low price? Today, we're discussing Boss Audio car products to find out whether they are worth it. We'll look at what they offer, why their prices are so low, and whether there's real value inside the box. This isn't just about specs, it's about real-world performance. Does Boss Audio sound good on your daily drive? Will it last, or break down in months? By the end, you'll know if Boss Audio is right for your car and your wallet. No more guessing, just the facts. Is Boss Audio a hidden gem, or a waste of money? Let's find out if it can deliver the sound system you've been dreaming of. Stay tuned as we break down everything you need to know. Let's get to know the brand behind the budget promise. Boss Audio Systems has been around since 1987, based in California. Their mission: affordable audio and video products for cars, boats, and more. They believe good sound shouldn't be a luxury. That's made them a go-to name in budget car audio. Their lineup is huge. Head units, speakers, amps, subwoofers, and even complete packages. Touchscreens, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, you'll find it all. Boss Audio products are everywhere. Amazon, Walmart, Best Buy, AutoZone. You don't need a special dealer, you can grab one during a regular shopping trip. This convenience is a big part of their appeal. Boss Audio isn't trying to compete with high-end brands. They focus on bringing modern features to the masses at entry-level prices. Affordable touchscreen head units, standard Bluetooth, that's their game. They want you to get the look and feel of a premium system, without the premium price. Their strategy is all about accessibility and features. If you want a simple upgrade without breaking the bank, Boss Audio is right there. They know their place in the market and embrace it. For many, they're the first step into car audio upgrades. Boss Audio's focus on value and availability is key to understanding the brand. They make upgrading easy and affordable for almost anyone. That's why you see their name everywhere. But does their popularity mean real quality? Let's dig deeper. The number one reason people choose Boss Audio? Price. Their products are often a fraction of the cost of big-name brands. You can get a full Boss Audio system for what a single component from Pioneer or Alpine might cost. This is a huge draw for budget-conscious buyers, students, families, or anyone fixing up an old car. Boss Audio fills a crucial gap for affordable electronics. Compared to brands like Sony or JVC, Boss uses less expensive materials and simpler designs. That's the trade-off for the low price. Boss Audio isn't for audiophiles or car audio competitors. They're not pretending to be high-end. Instead, they offer a feature-rich, functional alternative for those who just want an upgrade. If you want the best sound quality, look elsewhere. But if you want more features for less money, Boss Audio is hard to beat. They're proud to be a budget brand. For many, it's the only way to get modern features in an older car. Boss Audio is about making upgrades possible, not perfect. It's a practical solution for real-world budgets. But what do you actually get for your money? So how does Boss Audio sound in the real world? If you're upgrading from an old factory system, the difference is huge. Louder, clearer, with more bass and modern features. Most people are happy with the upgrade, especially at this price. But compared to mid-range brands, the sound is just good enough. Bass can be boomy, highs a bit harsh, and overall balance is lacking. It's not refined, but it gets the job done. Power ratings are another story. Boss often advertises huge wattage numbers. These are max power ratings, not realistic for daily use. The real number to look for is RMS power, which is much lower and often hidden. So don't expect earth-shaking volume based on the box. Still, it's a big step up from most factory systems. Boss Audio is famous for stretching the truth on specs. Set your expectations accordingly. If you want honest power and pristine sound, you'll need to spend more. But for basic upgrades, Boss delivers noticeable improvement. Just remember, look for RMS, not just flashy numbers. Know what you're getting and what you're not. Let's talk about how long these systems actually last. Durability is a big question with budget brands like Boss Audio. The build quality is where they save money. Lightweight plastics, flimsy buttons, and cheaper internal parts. Compared to premium brands, the difference is obvious. Some users report years of trouble-free use, but failure rates are higher than with pricier brands. Common issues include overheating amps, unresponsive screens, and unreliable Bluetooth. Subwoofers and speakers can burn out if pushed too hard. Lifespan depends on installation, usage, and volume. Moderate use and professional installation help, but heavy use can lead to early failure. It's a gamble. Sometimes you get a long-lasting unit, sometimes not. You get what you pay for. Boss Audio is about affordability, not longevity. If you want something to last for years, consider spending more. What do real users say about Boss Audio? Online reviews are mixed, some love the value, others regret the purchase. Positive reviews often come from people upgrading old systems on a tight budget. They're impressed by the features and price. Negative reviews focus on cheap build quality, early failures, and exaggerated specs. Experienced installers warn about misleading power ratings. YouTube is full of unboxings and tests. Some show great value, others reveal disappointing performance. Professional tests often confirm lower than advertised power. The consensus Boss Audio is a gamble. If you have realistic expectations, you might be happy. If you expect premium quality, you'll likely be disappointed. For every satisfied customer, there's one who feels let down. The brand is polarizing for a reason. Know what you want before you buy. So, is Boss Audio a smart buy? Yes, if you need a cheap, functional upgrade and don't expect perfection. It's ideal for older cars, commuters, or anyone who just wants better sound for less. You can get a full setup for under $200. A huge improvement over a broken factory system. But if you care about sound quality or long-term reliability, look elsewhere. Spending more on a reputable brand means better engineering and longer life. Boss Audio is about solving a problem cheaply, not delivering audiophile sound. The value depends on your needs and expectations. If you want the most features for the least money, it's a great deal. If you want the best sound, it's not. Boss Audio is a tool for a specific job. Understand what you're buying, then decide if it's right for you. Let's wrap it up. Should you buy Boss Audio? The pros: unbeatable price, lots of features, and easy availability. For tight budgets, it makes upgrading possible. The cons: cheap build, average sound, exaggerated specs, and higher risk of failure. Boss Audio is best for those with limited budgets, old cars, or beginners experimenting with car audio. Go in with realistic expectations. Don't expect premium quality. If you want clear, powerful sound and long-term reliability, invest in a better brand. If you hate technical glitches or misleading marketing, look elsewhere. For many, Boss Audio is a practical solution. For others, it's a disappointment. Your needs and expectations should guide your choice. Have you tried Boss Audio? Share your experience in the comments. Your feedback helps others make the right decision. Thanks for watching. Good luck with your next car audio upgrade. See you in the next video.